What HVAC issues occur after major landscaping projects? Major landscaping can cause blocked airflow, damaged outdoor equipment, clogged drains, electrical problems, and refrigerant line damage. Heavy soil, mulch, rocks, or grass clippings can collect around the outdoor heating and cooling unit, blocking the air it needs to release heat. When that happens, the system may run longer, use more electricity, or shut down because it gets too hot. Plants, fences, and new walls can also be placed too close to the unit, trapping warm air around it. Digging is another major risk because workers may hit buried electrical wires, condensate drain lines, or refrigerant tubing. Even a small bend or crack in a refrigerant line can reduce cooling and may cause ice to form on the indoor coil. Landscaping crews sometimes spray water, fertilizer, or weed killer directly onto the equipment, which can damage metal fins and electrical parts. After the project, keep several feet of open space around the unit. Gently brush away loose debris and ask a qualified technician to inspect anything that was struck, buried, bent, or soaked. A common mistake is covering the outdoor unit tightly with mulch, thinking it protects the equipment, but mulch holds moisture and blocks airflow, so keep it low and well away from the cabinet. Another mistake is planting shrubs close to the unit because they look attractive, but roots, leaves, and branches can restrict service access, so follow the clearance listed by the manufacturer. People also sometimes ignore unusual sounds or longer cooling cycles after digging, yet those signs may point to damaged wiring or refrigerant tubing, so turn the system off and arrange an inspection instead of guessing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.